everyone, a big shout from Papua. I want to say a word or two to all the wannabe adventurers to explain how things work. As you can see, I have a smile on my face, the mood is excellent, but 13 years ago the story was quite different. What actually happened, I would just want to explain how fast paradise can turn into hell. I came here with my dad. At the time there was just one ship once in a month. Actually, we were left on the small island very near from here, maybe 10 kilometers from here. First thing when we came, the villagers didn't see any white people before my dad and me, so they escaped in the jungle. And we were waiting like alone the whole afternoon for them to come back. Okay, long story short. After a few days we came to this village. Why I'm here with this man? Because this man actually helped save my life. It was my dad and it was him. What happened? After 4 days in this village, we went on the fishing trip, and when we came back, all at once I started to feel very, very sick. I had really high fever, and after a couple of hours I started to have horrendous hallucinations.
After 3 days, the villagers started the preparations for my funeral, and they called in the priests to give me the last sacrament.
There was no way to leave the island, because the ship was just once in a month. So what he did, he actually managed somehow to get a boat. We have to collect enough gasoline because the nearest hospital is more than 150 kilometers of open sea from here. So actually he managed to get this small boat. It was maybe a 6-meter boat. He managed to get the oil, the gasoline, and then we went to Sorong. Sorong is the city with the nearest hospital here. But on the way there we got into a storm. Like, this was already not enough. But luckily for me, I don't remember the storm because I was already in coma by the time. Once I came to Sorong, I was in coma for 8 days, and once I woke up, it was still not the end of my problems, because I couldn't get to the plane because I needed the certificate from the doctor that I will not die in the next 24 hours. Once I got that, I had to pay for this. I went back to Europe. After I landed in Europe, I started loading up on pizza and pork ribs, and in a week I was perfect again. But after waking up from coma, I said I will never ever do a wild trip like this. But then, of course, after 2 weeks I was feeling good, and I just couldn't wait to get back to explore more places like this. After coming here, it was 13 years ago. I asked him, saya tanya tadi kalau ada orang putih lagi. Tidak ada. My dad and me, we are the only white people, okay, visitors, Max and me now, so no one was here before us, and not even in these 12 years. So you have to know that many of the places that we are visiting are very remote with no visitors. Sometimes people think that I exaggerate when I say that they see no white people, but this is just the truth, and there's a reason for this, because being here is tough. It's not easy. You have to get prepared to get sick. I ended up in all my travels, I ended up in hospital 12 times. Now, the last few years, it's already better. Maybe the body get adapted to all the bacteria, to everything that is here. He doesn't bite. There are hundreds of them here in the jungle, and it's so nice to see them when they are not in the cage. They just fly, they eat, and then they come back every day, and it's so much better. I really hate seeing birds in a cage, and I see no meaning in this. As we were not in the sea today, we will buy some fish from those lovely ladies. Okay. Ayo, sedikit lagi. Baru tarik saya sedikit baru. So we have a mix of small fish. Siapa? Oh, siapa tahu? Kasih untuk 20. Terima kasih. Itu cukup 20. Oh yeah. Yeah. Terima kasih banyak. And the fish. And this one as well. We are here in the mangroves. We come to collect some shells. They have different types of shells here, and hopefully we can make a nice risotto later. So let's see how it's done. Jansen will show us. Oke, bisa balik mau bikin video muka ya. Oke, bagus, dari atas bagus. Terima kasih. The man collected this shell is maybe like 10 minutes. There are like tons of them. As you can see, they look nice. We will make some nice risotto later. Okay. Here are our shells, ready to be cooked. First of all, we have to clean the shells a little bit. We'll change the water a few times, and that will be. Putting the shells in a hot pan, just to open up. The pan should be a little bigger, but it will be okay. We will wait a little bit longer. We will cover them up to speed the process a little bit. The shells are opening up. shells, as you can see, they are quite meaty. They have a lot of meat inside. They're full.
Okay.
So if you cannot open them, they are almost cooked. You just do like this. That's it. One more. Like this. Okay, you can cut. We tried one. They already taste amazing, just like this. We're gonna cut these shells because they are quite big. Peeling some garlic, it's not that interesting, but we're in Papua, so everything is interesting here. Just enough like this. Let's start with the cooking. Put the pan on. Put in some oil. Let's put garlic in. Okay, we're going in. Our onion. One chili to give it a little bit of extra kick. One is more than enough. Actually, no, the shell is perfect. In goes the shells. Okay, give it a nice stir. So we'll put just a little bit of rosemary to feel kind of closer to home. At home, of course, we can make it better, but here we do whatever we can with what we have, and what we have is not much. We put in some water, and now in goes the rice. We'll put some more. I think this will not be enough. It's time to try what we've done. I'm quite optimistic. Let's go eat.
Okay.
Here we are, hungry as always. Let's put this slowly. Let's try this. Give me your plate. Okay. Yes, we made another seafood dish, because actually seafood is the only thing that you can find here. The chicken are really skinnier and not interesting to us, but the seafood is really plentiful. You have all kind of shells of fish here, so it's really nice. We are in the area that has quite a lot of mangroves. It's not so exciting for spearfishing because the water is murky, but you have all kind of prawns. You have the banana prawns, you have the tiger prawns, you have the mud crab, all kind of crab, the shell, so also the fish that they catch with the net or line fishing. So it's really a cool place to be if you like seafood. All the ingredients are so fresh. He collected the shells, we just cook them, and it's right from the sea to the table. shells that we cook, they're really soft. I was expecting them to be like more rubbery, but they're really soft.
Another amazing dish. Huh?